All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've made a video. It's probably just because it was winter time, and I didn't really do a whole lot with the RSX or the Fit. But today we are actually loading up my new wheels for the RSX. If you're following me on Instagram, you should already know. But they are Ray's Gramlights 57dr's, my dream set of wheels for the RSX, and I'm really excited to finally be able to put them on soon-ish. I actually still have to fix the RSX. Probably do a little walk around of that in the next clip, of course. Right now, I'm actually just getting ready to load them up, drop them off at the shop because I'm a little bit busy today at the time of this recording. And so I will be working on the RSX and giving it a little walk around tomorrow when I have more time. So yeah. All right, so it's the next day, and figured I'd show what the RSX looks like for those that don't know somehow. I hit a snowbank while some people were plowing, and they like left it in the middle of the road. I know it doesn't make any sense, but like sometimes the plowers, they plow one side and leave like literally like a snowbank in the middle of the road, and it like splits the road. I was driving home one night and just letting the RSX, come out for a spin or whatever. There was like some sort of debris or like ice chunks, but yeah, I hit a freaking snowbank. I actually, I know it doesn't look that bad, but look, the tab is broken. And so I'm actually in the works of getting a new front bumper. But I also actually ended up losing my air filter for my hybrid intake. I don't even have the intake tube on right now. Yeah, so there's a little bit of an update, and then I actually installed my Recaro seat, so that's pretty cool. I just need to get a bracket for the other side, but yeah, it is super comfortable. I will make a more detailed video, I guess, on TikTok when I get the other side or something like that. I don't know, but yeah, pretty dirty, don't mind that, but yeah, let's head to the shop and get my Gramlights on. All right, so these are the wheels. Gramlight 57dr's, my dream wheels for the RSX. You guys don't know how happy I am to finally have a set of these. They're just, I honestly, I prefer these over TE37s. You can sue me, whatever, criticize me, whatever the fuck. I like Gramlights 57dr's better than TEs. The tires, these are spare tires that I just had lying around. They're Dunlop sport tires. I'm just trying out the size to see if I really like it. These are a 235/45 17. I know people have told me 245/40 I should go with, but I just want to give these a shot. And then the wheel specs are 17/9 with a +22 offset. So let's try and see if we can install these. Bro, this looks insane. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my god. Dude, no way. This looks so good. I just gotta get a center cap, but oh my gosh. Yo. Yo, this looks unreal. Oh my gosh. Bro, the bumper is such an eyesore, but I'll be getting that fixed soon. Oh my gosh, dude. Wow.
Just spray paint it like
What say it again?
I love men with a heart.
Yeah, you do. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a video. We got a special guest here, Timmy Zaivong. We're gonna be installing my CSF radiator because I need it in order for my Mugen front bumper to fit. Ooh, damn, came with a rad cap too.
Yeah, this looks
No,
nice.
dude, this is gonna be sick. Yeah, so when I test fitted my bumper, it definitely cleared the headlights and it fit fine over here, but it did not sit well with the stock radiator. So I got a CSF one. Damn, dude, this is nice. That's probably just trash. So I got a CSF one because it sits a lot lower, and yeah, I've just been letting the car cool down, and we're gonna get started on this. Damn, dude, this is really nice. So you got the CSF engraving here. It's really light too, and that's really cool. So yeah, I got the coolant right there too. Just gotta take the bumper off, and yeah. Man, I love my A-Spec side skirts, but they make having to lift shit so much harder than they need to be. All right, so I got the coolant draining right now. I'm gonna take apart all that, and yeah, that's really it. I don't know why the fuck I even made this little update, whatever. All right, so got the lower radiator hose disconnected. All the coolant's basically drained out. Got the top hose disconnected. Got all these sensors, whatever else needs to be disconnected, basically out. Radiator's basically ready to come out, except this guy needs a fucking ride home apparently. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, so we're just gonna take a quick break, I guess. All right, so we got the radiator out, and now we're about to put in the CSF one. I think an easy way to do this is to actually unbolt the radiator fans, and so you could shimmy out the radiator, and then just leave them out. And you can bolt them back in when you put in the new one. And yeah, now this is, oh my god, this is gonna look so good. But yeah, it's honestly not that bad. It's not hard. It's very, very easy and super straightforward. So yeah. Another good practice to do when doing a radiator in specific is you flip them over and make sure that everything lines up. So you can see we got the two 10s for the radiator fans. Pretty sure those are right there. Looks like I need to transfer over that sensor to right here. This looks like it might be the drain plug. Could be, I don't know. Probably is, but yeah, instead of it being plastic right there. But for the most part, it looks like it's just pretty much plug and play. All right, I got one fan in. It's kind of just a lot. It's very easy, but it's very, very time consuming and a lot. But I get the other side in. One thing that helped me, so like I said, so you put the radiator in first, and then you shimmy and then you can get the fans out. But for some reason this plug was getting in the way, so what I did was I unbolted it from there to move the AC line out. I should probably do an AC tuck, because this is honestly like very, very, very ugly. I hate the way that K-Series engine bays look, especially with the AC right there, the AC line. So now I'm considering doing an AC tuck, but that's for whatever future stuff. Anyway, yeah, so I just unbolted this for the auto air control valve, and yeah, I was able to get the fan in. So now I'm gonna do the other side. It sits much lower. That's really cool. It's lightweight, and I'm sure it'll help with cooling on the vehicle. I probably should have gotten some like slimmer radiator fans. But oh well, maybe that'll be something for it. That'll definitely be something for the future. Now just need to make sure that everything is on tight. Everything is all plugged up. Now we're gonna fill her up and bleed it. right, so just finished up bleeding the coolant. If you guys know anything about K-series motors, they actually take a long time to flush or to like bleed, burp the system, whatever. So the trick is to have have the front end raised, and you bleed it that way, or you burp it out that way. But like I said, just finished up burping it, and yeah, now we're gonna clean everything up, and I think that's really it. All right, so it's the next day. After installing the radiator and bleeding, the cooling system, honestly, the car really wants to go. I don't know if it's like a placebo effect or something. Like, I know it's an aluminum radiator, it'll help with cooling a lot better, but the car really wants to go. So if you're considering upgrading your radiator, I highly recommend a CSF one. But I feel like I should explain myself a little bit. I haven't been uploading or like filming stuff just because, like, I don't really have a whole lot going on other than just work. I also just came back from a vacation. I'm really hoping to have this car ready for, the upcoming season and like car shows and stuff. And yeah, it feels really good to have my car back, as if I lost it or whatever. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it's coming along, and I can't wait to see what else the season has in store. So yeah, like I said, previous clips, honestly, the first clip of the first few clips of installing the Gramlights, those were filmed back in April, around end of April, early May-ish. And the radiator, it's June now. It's June, so it's actually been a bit. If you're following me on my Instagram, you guys would see that I actually have been outside and stuff, and my Mugen front bumper is hopefully gonna get done by the time this video rolls out. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. There will definitely be an update video on that. Overall, I have a lot of plans for this thing this summer, and hopefully I can go through with them. Like I said, I have the matching Recaro in my bedroom. I just got to get a bracket for the other side, for that side, so that way it'll be two matching. And I'm so sad about this crack in the windshield. It happened during winter. Again, I probably just shouldn't have been driving it in the winter. I have the fit for a reason. But yeah, I was just leaving the house, and there's just a crack all across. So that was pretty heartbreaking. It's pretty heartbreaking because, dude, this is the original windshield. Look, original. Oh, maybe it's not actually. What an idiot! Who said that? But yeah, either way, like I didn't want to get rid of I don't know. Either way, it's still an eyesore. The hood is an eyesore. The front bumper is an eyesore. The crack in the windshield is an eyesore. Oh man, honestly, as much as I want this car to be perfect, it'll never be perfect. And I'm gonna get new tires. I gotta get new tires too. But yeah, I don't know. Overall, I'm mostly happy with the car. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe, and remember to follow me on my Instagram, just so you're more up to date on everything that's been going on. And yeah.